Well, with it getting warmer, maybe walking outside can be a relaxing and free way to get some exercise as well. So this month you can lace up your shoes and help a good cause as well. And joining us now, Kay Watson and volunteer Mike King with Alzheimer's Tennessee. Thank you both for being here this afternoon.
Thanks for having us.
And Kay, you're here because it's a busy month for
It's
Alzheimer's
a big
Tennessee.
month for Alzheimer's Tennessee. So we have 3 walks, and that's just in East Tennessee. So this weekend, tomorrow actually, we're in Clinton. Then next Saturday, April 12th, we're in Knoxville at Catholic High School football stadium. And then the last Saturday of this month, April 26th, we're at Alcoa High School. So these are great opportunities for families and friends and coworkers to come together and honor their loved ones and support Alzheimer's Tennessee, because we need the support to be able to support the families who are living with this disease.
And speaking of families who have been living with this disease, Mike, you've been involved for many, many years now. I'd love for you to share why this is an important cause for you.
Well, I've been involved with Alzheimer's Tennessee since about 1998, and my wife come from a family, it's the Julian family, and she has, I think, 11 aunts and uncles, and all of them have passed with Alzheimer's except for 2. One died with cancer, and the other one is still alive. The last one was Frank, and he was just about 3 years older than we were, so he was an early onset Alzheimer's patient. Also, my stepdad died with dementia, so we've been touched in many ways by this disease. And I work with Alzheimer's, I volunteer with Alzheimer's, mainly just to hope we find a cure for this disease, make it a memory, as we say. You know, Alzheimer's Tennessee, I really support, because I've gone to 2 of the things in Nashville with them, the Advocacy Day, and see them working and seeing what they're working for Alzheimer's and for the caregivers and for the patients. It's amazing, and that's what the money that we raise goes for, is stuff like that, and to help those who are needing help with their loved ones. It's a hard thing. I know my mom was fine, but I still was her caregiver, and I can't imagine being a caregiver for someone who all of a sudden doesn't know you anymore. So it's a good cause, and I would urge everybody to come out and walk and give and help us make Alzheimer's a memory.
And that's what I wanted to ask you about. What is the feeling? What's it like on a walk day when everyone's coming together with this sort of shared experience?
It's like going to the fair. We're going to have the 3-cycle race again this time.
We're going to have some warm-up contests, yes.
Warm-up contests, okay. So it's fun, and I usually do team photos, so I love getting with the teams and aggravating them a little bit, making them laugh. So it's been fun for me for the past several years, being the photographer for all the teams. So it's just a great atmosphere, and I think people are excited about what can happen with Alzheimer's. Some advances been made, and Kay can speak more to that. But I don't know of a better organization. Well, maybe one or more organization. I've got a nonprofit as well. It's a good organization too. We do missions work, but for people and for health and for families, I just can't imagine not having Alzheimer's. They helped me when my parents, my stepdad and my stepdad got bad with dementia, and my mom was paralyzed, so we had to find an assisted living for them. They had a lady, I think her name was Patty Galloway, way back when, with Alzheimer's. She helped me find a assisted living place for them that would take memory patients, and it's just a big help. I mean, they've got all kinds of things they can do for the people.
Well, thank you both for being here. Kay, very quickly, can you just tell people where they can sign up for these upcoming walks?
alztennessee.org/walk.
And you've got plenty, all there on your screen, all different areas of our region, so you can come out.
And Alzheimer's Tennessee is your local organization. We're celebrating that we are Tennessee Originals this year, because we were the first in Tennessee to be able to provide these services for families, whether it's caregiver workshops, support groups, or helping families find the resources they need on that spectrum of care, which can be a little overwhelming, whether you're trying to figure out whether you need a loved one to have home care, maybe move somewhere, what level of care do they need. We can help families. We do help families every single day walk that journey. And we're asking everyone to come out and walk to make Alzheimer's a memory with us.
Well, thank you both for being here. So appreciate it.